Good morning, children. In the last video we learnt about nouns. Today we will learn about kinds of nouns, that is common nouns and proper nouns. But before starting the topic, let us first recall what nouns are. A noun is what? A noun is a name of a person, animal, place or thing. For example, father, tiger, park, book, etc. Now let's learn about the kinds of nouns. So we have two kinds of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Now let's first start with the common nouns. Common nouns are the names given to any person, place, animal or thing. So, we can say that a noun that gives a common name to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind is called a common noun. For example, boy, city, dog, car. All of them are what? They all are common nouns. Now, boy is a common noun. Why? Because it can be any boy without being a specific name. Similarly, city can be any city without being a specific name. Similarly, car also is a common noun because we can use it for any car. So all these are what? They all are examples of common nouns. But children, when we give a special name to a particular person, animal, place or thing, then it is called what? Then it is called a proper noun. So, what are proper nouns? Proper noun is a noun that gives a special name to a particular person, animal, place or thing. Okay? So a noun that gives a special name to a particular person, animal, place or thing, it is called a proper noun. For example, your name. Your name is special. Now, your name could be Alia or Ilma. We'll call it what? We will call it a proper noun. Similarly, Mumbai. Mumbai is what? It's a name of a city. So, it is also a proper noun. Ganga. Ganga is what? It's a name of a river and therefore a proper noun. Then Taj Mahal, it's a building. So, it's also a proper noun. Similarly, days of the week and months of the year are also proper nouns. Like July. July is what? What? It's a name of a month and therefore it is a proper noun. One more thing that we have to remember is that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Like in this sentence, my sister lives in Kolkata. Now here, the word Kolkata is what? It's a proper noun and therefore it is beginning with a capital K. Now, open page number 12 of your grammar book. Now this page gives you the definitions of common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are the names given to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. And proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places or things. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Now here, some examples of common and proper nouns are given. Now men and women are what? They are common nouns. But if I say Sachin Tendulkar or Enid Blyton or Amir Khan, then it is what? Then we'll call it proper nouns because these are the names of particular persons. Countries also is a common noun, but if I say India, Japan or Sri Lanka, then it is what? Proper noun. Similarly, towns and cities. Towns and cities are common nouns, but if you name a specific city or town, then it will be a proper noun like Patna, Nagpur, Jaipur, Bhopal. Now some more examples are given, so read them carefully. Read this entire page carefully. Okay, now let's move on to the exercises. Okay, so open page number 13 of your grammar book. Column A gives a list of 8 common nouns and column B gives a list of 8 proper nouns. Match them by drawing lines. Okay, so column A has some common nouns and column B has some proper nouns. So let's see how to match. Now country. Country is a common noun. And Japan is what? It's a proper noun for a country because it's a name of a particular country. Now I have done some for you and the rest you can do on your own. Now here, cricketer. Now cricketer is a common noun. But if I say Shikhar Dhawan, then it is what? It is proper noun. Car. Now car could be any car, but if I say Chevrolet, then it's a proper noun. Mountain peak. Now which mountain peak they have given here? Nanda Devi. So I have matched Nanda Devi with mountain peak. Now city, building, river and book are left. So see and match it. Exercise D. Draw a single line under the common nouns and a double line under the proper nouns. So the first sentence is, the Alps is the highest mountain in Europe. Now here, mountain is the common noun and Alps is what? Alps is a proper noun. And we have one more proper noun here which is Europe. So a single line under common noun and double line under proper noun. Next, Innova is a very good car. It is produced by Toyota. Now car we all know it is what? It's a common noun. But Innova is the name of a car. So it is what? It's a proper noun. And then we have one more proper noun here and that is Toyota. Okay. So this car Innova is produced by Toyota. Third, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Now capital is a common noun and Gandhinagar and Gujarat are what? They are proper nouns. Both of these are names of specific places. Next, Akbar was the greatest emperor among the Mughals. Now emperor is common noun and Akbar and Mughals are what? They are proper nouns. Children, you can also notice that all proper nouns are beginning with what? Capital letters. Next, December and January are the coldest months in India. Now, months is what? It's a common noun. And December, January, and India are what? They are proper nouns. Now, 3 more left. That is number 6, number 7, and number 8. You can do them on your own. Try to do it, it's easy. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise E. Circle the letters that should be capital. Shreya Ghoshal has sung some very sweet songs. Now here Shreya Ghoshal is what? It's the name of a singer and it's a proper noun. So S of Shreya and G of Ghoshal, they should be capital. And we all know that every sentence begins with what? It begins with a capital letter. So we also have to see that the first letter of each sentence should be capital. Let's move to the second. Agra was the capital of the Mughals. Now here A of Agra should be capital because it's a name, specific name of a place, and M of Mughals should be capital. That is why we have encircled them. Next. Shri Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. Now here S of Shri, R of Rabindranath, and T of Tagore should be capital, and G of Gitanjali should be capital. Next, Shri A.S. Khurana is the principal of DAV Public School. Now here S of Shri again, A.S., K of Khurana should be capital, and D-A-V should be capital, P of public, and S of school. They are what? These are proper nouns. That is why they should be capital. Shri A.S. Khurana is the name of a person and DAV Public School is the name of a school. Now one more for you. 7th. Christ's birthday is known as Christmas. Now C of Christ should be capital and C of Christmas should be capital because it's the name of a particular festival. Now 3 sentences here I have left, 5th, 6th and 8th. So you have to do them on your own. Just see which letter should be capital and circle it. Now 6th, 7th and 8th and 5th, 6th and 8th. Do them on your own in your book only. Okay children? So that's all for today. Thank you.